This is my project which I created for nodejs. It's my user routes. Here is sign up, here is login, here is to check profile, here is to change the password with current password. In candidate routes, here is candidate ID for checking, updating the candidate. Actually, I have made it a voting app for which user will vote to the candidates. Here is to delete the candidate, and in my app there is only one admin who cannot vote but who can add candidates from his JWT token. Candidate will not add their tokens. Candidate will not log in there. Candidate can only see their voting counts with this thing, with this routes, and so let's check the routes. I have started this server, my MongoDB is connected. I will use Postman for checking the routes. Here I have added some dummy data, and I have not given this role. Okay, in my schema, let me see. In my user schema, there is role and is voted. This thing will automatically add. Default is voter, because in my app there is only one admin. When I make front end, then I will do this, that only one admin can allow. Only one admin will add in my database. So let's check now. Where I have given some dummy data, and when I don't give any role, it will automatically create it to voter. Okay, so I got the response. It created as a voter. He is voted false, and here I got the token. Okay, so I have to use this token to vote the candidate. So let's not copy that. Let's see, test the user login route. So here I will be copying this. Let me copy, and here is the password. I'm not created forget password like thing. We have to give the current password and the Aadhaar number to change the. Sorry, I have pasted wrong. Let's see. There it will be, and the password is 1234. This is the password. When I send this, I got the token. If I give the wrong password, then I will get error that invalid username or password. So let's take the token first. Or just check next thing. For checking the profile, you have to use your token. So let me copy this. Here I pasted my token, and then I sent, and I got the response that the role is voter and my name. I got my data. Now check user password change. Let's change the password now. I have to give the token of that user. Okay, and after that in body we have to give the new password. New password is 1234 and current password. If I give wrong password, then check first. Invalid username and password, yeah. And if I give the correct password 1234 and my new password is 12345, password got updated. And I am also hashing my password. You can see here in password section in my MongoDB I can't see the password of any user. And now let's add candidate. So currently I which I added currently which user I added, the role is voter. So let's check if we add the candidate, any candidate, or let me add Modi first, and party is BJP, is, let's change the area of society, and in authorization header when I send this error, I got the error that unauthorized. I will not able to add the candidate because I am not admin. So let's add one more user. Let's I have kept the data and I change the role admin, and here from here let's change to mukul. Okay, and password is 1111. Okay, and Aadhaar number we can change it, we can keep anything, just change that, we can differentiate. So in that let's send the data, and here we got Aadhaar card duplicate because we can't give the, because in previous I think that Aadhaar number is same, yeah. See, that Aadhaar number is same. There is validation also, we can't add same Aadhaar number of two persons. So let's 190, okay, and send. Now it will add as a admin role, and when I copy this token and add candidate, in add candidate route let's paste this, and in my body I am adding this, and here we go, it added my candidate. You can see in my MongoDB also. Here we go. When anybody votes, this vote array will increase, and this vote count, this vote count will increase also. I will show you. Okay. So let me now vote with this authorization. Okay. Or let me let not update it. It is correct. Or let's updated candidate details with this ID. We have to get the ID first. Let's update this name with capital and age. Okay, in raw format, let me copy this and paste here, and here we go Modi, 71. Sorry. And in authorization header, we have to give the bearer token. Sorry, to give the bearer token of that user, this admin user. It goes, yeah, yeah. And when I send this, that's candidate not found because I have not pasted the ID here. Let's paste the ID first. There is internal server error. Okay, so I got the internal server error. Actually, what happened now, this ID is incorrect. I have to paste from here only. Let me paste. Let me copy from here and then paste here. And now I will change this. In this cage also. Let me send now. Here. Here I got the data, updated data. So now let's not delete the candidate. Actually, deleting candidate is also very easy. We have to get the ID and after that authorization token of the admin roles user and the candidate will delete. Let's vote now. So here we have to get the ID first. So after that we only have to, for voting we only have to give the authorization token. So let me paste the authorization token first of this admin role user. And here I have pasted this. Now send or unauthorized your admin. So actually I told you that in my application admin will not authorize to give the vote because he can change the data. That's why. So let me log in with user login and I have changed this password. So let me check this. Yeah, I am getting the incorrect invalid password. So let me give the correct password of user a role admin, not admin, voter admin, voter role. And after that I got the token, and when I paste this token here and when I click on send response, I get voted successfully. And now I can check in vote count. So let me give this ID. For vote count we can give any token, admin role or user role, because we have to check only. So let's send, and I am getting this party BJP and count is vote. So this is how we got the data, and now I can show you in my MongoDB also. When I refresh it, here we got the array. In this array I got the object, and here who voted with his user ID and this ID also. So this is how I created my project. So that's all. I cannot delete this, or let me delete the candidate also. Let me delete the candidate. I can show you. get deleted with this token. Actually this token is not that token, that's why it got deleted. This token is admin role token, that's why it's got deleted. If I change this and give this candidate not found, because I have deleted this, but when I delete from voter account it will not delete. So that's all. Thanks for watching my project. Thank you.